What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and we're going to be bringing to you another product. This one is from Lumenfox. This is an LED parking lot light, but it also is going to work great when it comes to lighting the entrance and the exterior of your shop area where you may find yourself doing a lot of work. As I have said in other videos, I do blacksmithing and things like that, and when it gets dark, wintertime, 5 o'clock, you can't see nothing, which works really good when you're quenching, but can be a little bit of a pain when you're trying to do some detail work. So we're going to get this installed today. I'm going to show you what I chose to do and how I went about it, and might be something that is worth adding to your shop or as a security light to add to your property. While we are in here, I may go ahead and just give you a condensed tour of the shop. I still got some cleaning and organizing to do, but anyway, I just figured I'd go ahead and show it to you. Alright, so start over here corner. We just have a bunch of my toolbox, welder and welding masks, and a variety of tools in there. And then over here we have my drill press. And on the workbench I got a scroll saw, a band saw. There's a variety of grinding belts for my 1x42. Then we come over here and I have my grinding area. There's I think that's a 4x36. And then my 1x42, which is what I had used for years on a belt grinder. And then I recently got this 2x72. And I only have a half horse motor on it, but I'm in the process of getting that up and running. Just a few more kinks to work out and should be good to go. But anyway, then over here I also have a business. Me and my wife, we do wildlife removal and repair, and so all of that is for our business when it comes to trapping wildlife. Those are all traps and flashing and tools and different things that we use for the business. Lures, baits, a variety of different exclusion material and snake repellents and things like that. So might look like a hot mess, but it is very organized, to be honest with you. Anyway, I would show you more, but again, I have more things that I am working on. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take this lamp here from Lumenfox outside and get it put on a pole, and then get it attached to the building, and I'm going to show you how I go about that process. So stick with me, guys. Alright, so I figured I should probably go ahead and show you the lamp before I do the install, but it comes with absolutely everything you need, right? Comes with the Allen wrench, comes with a couple of different bits for your impact driver to do everything you need to. All the bolts, comes with a rubber grommet for weatherproof, and then this is the base of the lamp. Alright, and it has a ton of different applications, right? You can bolt it onto the side of a building. You can bolt it onto a pole, or a round pole, or a square tubing of some sort. If you're using it like a street light or anything like that, you can put it on an old telephone pole, whatever it is that you need to. You can adjust the angle with this nut here. And it has a quick connect, all right? So you can go ahead and affix this and wire it all on the pole, and then last step, attach to the lamp. That way it's easier for, like me, what I'm going to be doing, it's going to be on a pole. It's going to be easier to attach this and then attach my pole to the building and put the lamp on last than it will be to do it the other way around. So has that cool little quick connect. Couple of bolts go in here, tighten the lamp to it to create that seal, and you're good to go. So let me show you the lamp itself. Again, that's all there is to it for hardware to install. That's it. And here is the actual LED lamp. Tons of LEDs. There's your quick connect with your waterproof grommets, and it just fits on quite nicely. This also has a right there, the dusk to dawn, the photocell. If you want it blocked and you want to put it on a switch, you just leave this thing on, or you can pull it off and it'll come on automatically photocell like your standard street light. But very rugged, nice design. Looks like it'll shed water quite well, and should do very well. So I'm going to get this installed while we've got some daylight, and then we'll come back a little later when it is dark and see how she does. So anyway, just wanted to go ahead and show this product to you. So let's go get it installed. All right, so this is the metal pole that I am going to be attaching it to get a little more height. It's a little over 13 foot. And the first thing I'm going to do is run my electrical wire through it. 14 foot fiberglass wire running kit that I use. Not everybody may not have that, but basically I just ran it from one end all the way through the pipe to the other, and it has this little connector on it. I'll stick the wire in there, slide this down, and pull the wire to the other end. Then once I get all that done, then I'll attach the mounting bracket and go ahead and do the wiring, and then I will get back with you once I got that done. Alright, just wanted to show you the wiring real quick. Put the grommet on, ran the hole into the center. Basically I drilled 3/8 holes, and then I just made that one a little bit bigger for the line, and ran the line, connected the wires, wrapped it real good in electrical tape just to aid in that waterproofing. So just wanted to show you that before I bolt this in. Alright, I got it all wired in and tightened up. I ended up using different bolts and washers and just did a pass-through, but then I put it on a 30-degree angle and we got it ready to go. So now I'm going to attach this pole to the building, and then we should be able to wire it up. Alright guys, got it all hooked up and set up. So I attached the lamp on, then ran the pole on the side of my building with a couple self-tapping screws, and it's in that metal frame. And then I just dropped down with my direct barrel underneath right there and ran it inside. I haven't decided on whether or not I want to do a switch or just use the photocell. So for now I just got it temporarily set up so I can test it, and we will come out a little bit later when it is dark and see how much this thing lights up for us. Alright guys, I think it is about got dark enough to see what this light can do for my area. So as you see, there's my forge, my anvil, scrap metal, and here's my quenching oil. But we are going to hit this light and see what it lights up. Alright, well I have to say that is ridiculous. That lights up all of that work area, lights up all in front of my cabin and a good portion of my yard over here. So should have no problem if I need to work late at night, that I should be able to see. And also offers a ton of extra security in this darker corner down by the wood line. So I think this is a great item. Extremely bright, very easy to use, comes with everything you need except wire nuts, and really lights it up. So anyways, I'm going to leave the link in the description box if you are interested in getting a light, security light to put on your property. I would highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching guys. God bless.